That's right, I'm back on deck. Just call me a birdcage. Just tell me. Just tell me. Just tell me I'm trapped. Just tell me I'm in a cage. I got birds too. And I feel sorry for them sometimes. Just tell me I'm trapped. Just tell me. I know I'm trapped. It don't make no sense. I ain't did nothing to hurt nobody. Got me trapped. I can't even get out. I don't know what to do. It hurts. You gotta sit here, pay all these damn bills and all this and all that. God damn, you can't even drink nothing. You can't eat nothing. You can't do nothing around here. But just die. Ain't no doggone Jesus. Nobody talking about that. We gotta sit here and suffer. And we good people. Wow, ain't that something? We is birds. That's why I got birds. It's alright, we just gonna all die together, I guess. But we good people though. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And we good people. We good people. Bring it to him. No, we stuck. We stuck. Oh, I love y'all. I love y'all. Whoever I did listen, I love y'all. We is a bird. Birds of feather gonna flop together. Look how they doing us though. We can't even fly no damn well. They acting like they going to goddamn to the dome or wherever in a NASA. They ain't going no doggone way. They can't fly nowhere, have a rocket or nothing. And we the nicest person here. Wow. Done. All these doggone lies. All this stuff. It's getting on my nerve. I ain't gonna have no blood pressure. But it'll make a person have some blood pressure high. All these lies. Especially you know the truth. It's alright. I was spitting out something. I love y'all though. We ain't no birds though. We better than birds. So we could get out if we want to. But not out of here. I don't know about that part. You know what I'm saying? But we could get out, certain situations that we going through. Because we all is, man. Every time I turn around, it's one thing to the next. This, that, this, and that. I'm about to make a rap song sooner or later. It don't make no sense. Love you. Yeah. We're stuck in the shell.